Let's get down to the Hooda factor in Haryana. So tell me a little bit about how he's an overarching leader in the state, even though for 10 years he's been out of power. But clearly now everybody says it's going to be Hooda's election.
Imagine 2000 to 2004, Chautalas were in power. Anarchy in the state, law and order, धज्जियाँ उड़ी हुई थी टू मतलब that's the most decent way to put it. लोगों का बहुत ज़्यादा काम नहीं हो रहे थे and there was this loyal band of Chautala followers who would get any jobs done, commissions थे, पैसा देना पड़ता था कुछ काम कराने के लिए. It was so
That's
bad.
the truth. Yeah.
That is how bad the situation was, and I have tried hard to find people who would say otherwise, but then none. Anybody who remembers those times would coyly talk about it and speak it out because उनको भी fear है कि अगर उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ बोल दिया तो पता नहीं क्या एक्शन हो जाए.
That's also when Gurugram and all that, the land had become so Rohtak, all these areas had become so.
So there was a time कि अगर there's some follower or of one of the Chautalas और ये बोला गया कि भाई कोई support नहीं मिल रहा, मतलब this XYZ guy from this गांव is not supporting, ठीक है, तो संभाल लेना. तो एक बार संभाल लेना, दो बार संभालना. तो संभालने के बाद आपको पेट्रोल पंप के पास वो खबर मिलती है कि पेट्रोल पंप के साइड में वो लड़का खड़ा था, एक गाड़ी आई है और पीट वगैरह के पीट पाट के चले गए. So that is how the situation was. What Hooda did in 2005 when he came to power, he brought law and order into control. For the next 5 years, between 2005 to 4.5, 2005 to 9, हुड्डा ने बहुत काम किया हरियाणा में इन द सेंस, और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को कंट्रोल में लेकर आए, इंडस्ट्री आई, इंडस्ट्री का बूम मिला. हुड्डा ऑल्सो ट्राई टू इंश्योर इन अ वे कि कोई भी एजिटेशन होता है सरकार के खिलाफ वो 4-5 दिन से ज़्यादा ना चले. So what he'll do is कि 4-5 दिन हो गए, he'll call the leader of the group to come to the CM house and have a chat with him and ensure that there's a middle way. That was found and they went ahead with it. This was not seen in Chautala's time. Chautala time पर you would know of Kandela Kand and things like that, where people were agitating, so people were dealt with an iron hand. So that was Chautala's way of handling things, and he was from a different time, different era. So now 2004 to 14, this is the kind of change that is all. Between 2009 to 14, ये sense आता है लोगों के अंदर that a lot of concentration, lot of money, lot of business, lot of industry was concentrated in this region of Rohtak, Sonipat and Jhajjar. However, during Hooda's time, पैसा सबके पास आया. And so you see, land was monetized after a long time so much. What Chautala and Bhajan Lal opened up, Bhupendra Singh Hooda made maximum benefit out of it.
Okay.
तो सब CLUs आना, the fresh land purchase हुआ. Imagine झज्जर के पास, it's arid, semi-arid land.
Yeah.
So वहाँ पर खेती की तो इतनी ज़्यादा कमाई होनी नहीं. But then Reliance comes in and Reliance buys a huge chunk of land. People sell it for good profits, and they buy land in Hisar, they buy land in Karnal, they buy land elsewhere. So what they've essentially done is कि जो पैसा था उसको reinvest कर लिया, उस पैसे से की कमाई से वो बैड लैंड से निकल भी गए, उस पैसे की कमाई से घर के अंदर गाड़ियाँ भी आ दी. स्कॉर्पियो became a fad like anything in Haryana. That was in that phase. So a lot of money came in Haryana. People just in fact, it's in this century only Haryana has seen money. Haryana has never seen money.
True.
Haryana was always a land of लड़ाई झगड़ा करते हैं यहाँ पर. आते हैं गांव देहात से, आपको वो चाहिए होती है, शायद आपको आर्मी चाहिए हो या आपको सिपाही चाहिए.
That's why Punjab so easily let away also, na? कि ले लो जाओ.
नहीं, that was also not an easy battle. That was not an easy battle.
पंजाबी सूबा, हाँ.
But so it is commonly thought कि सिर्फ पंजाब के अंदर मूवमेंट था. हरियाणा wanted to separate itself from Punjab.
But it supposedly was supposed to be the industrial zone. But हुआ नहीं for decades.
Faridabad, the attempt was made at Faridabad. No, this is a fine comparison. Faridabad is a public sector led development. Gurgaon is a private led development. Gurgaon has turned into something else. It's a millennium city. You go out in Gurgaon, आपको imagine भी नहीं होता कि भाई you go in any of those places that DLF is made.
Yeah.
Camellia Azaralia. So 2004 to 14 में 5 to 14, Hooda had done a lot of work, and ऐसा कोई major, even in 2014 elections, कोई बहुत major anti-incumbency नहीं थी. It's just the large Modi wave that came in that ripped Hooda apart. मतलब कोई chance नहीं था.
Click here to watch the full episode.